In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Smart People chip suggestions on your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your sheet document and then select the Tools tab at the top. And then you want to go and select where it says underneath Suggestion Controls, where it says Enable Smart People Chip Suggestions. Make sure that's checkmarked. If it is not, go ahead and check mark next to it. And then when you close out and come back in here, that should be pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.